Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bright. So I'm sorry for my voice, I feel a little bit sick. Today in this video we're going to unbox this Acer portable monitor, and actually I got it from Costco. Actually I have a plan to buy the portable monitor or desktop. I was in Costco and I saw this product, so I'm going to try and see how it works. I want a desktop, but I don't want a big one because it will take up so much space. I just want another monitor to extend my laptop. So yeah, I think this will be a good fit for my needs. This is 16 PM16 1Q and 15.6 inches. So let's unbox and set up this portable monitor. So let's see what we got in here. Here we have the warranty, and we got 3-year warranty here. Then this is the setup menu. And we got safety instructions. Then we got two cable types. So it can not only connect to the laptop, but it can also connect to the Nintendo Switch, PS5, phone, etc. And it's like portable, so you can adjust the angle as well. So let me show you that. So this here, I think it's pretty solid and it's pretty big. And then it's also pretty premium in my opinion. So this is the one way to use, and then you can also use this way. That's if we want to use vertically, we have to go back a little bit, and then we can use this way as well. Now it's ready, and then that's this one, and we will set up with my laptop. Type C to Type C. Let's set up. And I have here is a Type C port, and let's connect to this Type C port. And then comes work perfect. I think it works pretty well. Look at that, it's big.
3 life
this
cycles.
is the song with my
When between cycles,
book,
it can leave the
and
spinal
then
column
this is the song with the
We are faced with a danger that we can't control.
monitor.
One we can't even see. Stay out of my way.
So I think it's not bad.
and for those spiders who make it through, in a monster kind of.
With a few settings here, you got the here. So as you can see, there's some little button, 3 buttons here, and then you can here you can picture such as brightness, contrast, etc., and then color, and then audio as well, and then performance. I don't know what the OSD is, and then system information, and then you can save settings. Yeah, that's it. And then there's a audio mic output, and you can use that as well. Here is with the HDMI and the Type C. And I thought I can use like this, but it's not very designed. It's not designed for this. It's not so good, and this with the cable is a little bit look messy. I think the better way to use is just like this, and then you can adjust the angle as well. I think it's pretty good. So alright guys, thanks for watching. I just want to do the unboxing about this monitor, and then yeah, I think I really like it. It's not too expensive as well, and yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this portable monitor. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.